Ha ka banengkong ngapan pau ka jing sngu ka bakrau yau blai. Ha ka baulai alam yanga ha ka jing ye lenti ka jonga. Nadu ka khatsau tarik jong banai bala dep nai me. Hadu ka negas ni ka bamanta. Ka negas ni ka bamanta ka dei ka sni. Jong ka jing job ka jonga ha ka jing ye le. Ryngkat ka jing Christian do bat met bat mensem ka jong pi. Yang ha ki neki kniat sni ki bala dep no. Nga ai ka jing koblei ka ba kerpang ya pi wei ki ba ai ka jing Christian ka barat ba ha kam ki jam ki jonga. Ha kaliang jong minister o ba Prestone tensong ula ai yangi ya ka jing dan kam bat ka Jingdawa ka jongi kat kum ka jing kwa ka jonga kat kum ka Jingdawa ka jonga uba Prestone Khlem da pen ruam baro ki Jingdawa jonga ula ai kane ka de ka jing terku ka jong oblei na ka benta ka jing yem ka jonga ha ka ba ki nong yalam jong ka jela ka ba ik ka jongi kilapan sneu ya ka jing kerpat ka jonga kum ka kentei kum ka long kami ka bom dan ka bom dan ukhiu ja hayeng badan ukhiu ja hayeng ki briu nrei nga pen pau ka jing sngu yau blei bola don Ryngkat ban nga leng ba ki jing duwai ki bari ki jonga lembat ki jing Christian ki jong pi ki jing duwai jong pi wei pai wei ha ka ba ki nong yalam ki jongi kilapan sngat ya kata ka jing kerpat ka jonga ki Jingdawa ki jonga te khenang ba ka ne ka por suwa ba pintip ya ka jing shisha nga kerpat ya iba kerbong malai bin sngiu ba bonwan syakmat ban pule ya ka ne ka agreement ka jing yetho yatar ka jongi ka jing yakot ka jongi bat u minister jongi nga kerpat ya iba kerbok bin sngiu ba bonwan syakmat.
Jangan pulih kumbak kelong. Kumbak kelong. Upgradation of Nangpas Umdan Sonapur Road, length approximate 59 km, is proposed to be taken up under NESIDS roads and PMGSY 3. Upgradation of Nangpa Umdan Road 20 km is proposed under NESIDS roads to be funded by MDONER, Government of India, at an estimate amount of approximately 52 crores only. The road is proposed to be of intermediate length, and the item of work proposed includes earthwork, subgrade protection works, construction of CC drain and pipe culvert, pavement works and road safety. In March 2024 itself, the Ministry of Donor had prioritized the 20-kilometer stretch of the Nangpa Umdan Road in their budget allocation. The project was delayed due to ensuing MP election and model code of conduct. The detailed project report, DPR, is under preparation and will be sent to the Planning Department by the end of this month. Subsequently, the Planning Department will forward it to the Ministry of Donor through NEC Secretariat for necessary action. Further, extension from Umdan to Banyan, its surrounding villages along the road is approximately 39 kilometers in length, have also been proposed under PMGSY 3 with an estimate amount of 50.95. The proposal has already been uploaded onto online management monitoring and accounting system OMNMAS of PMGSY. The meeting empower committee on the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India for sanctioning of the scheme is likely to be held shortly. These two projects will be positively taken up within this year 2024. Kiki Mawa, Secretary PLD, Government of India.